Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will see how can we use functions in Python language. First of all, we should know what is function basically. The function is basically what when you write it once, it will give you the results when you call it in any situation or any other line of code. It means that once you have write the function, you can call it again and you can take advantage or use it for your purpose by at the end of the code or in the mid of the code. You just have to call the function. You don't write to write the complete process again and again. So this is the basic need of function. So basically what the function is and how we can use it, we will see it here. First of all, again you have to know what the function is actually made up of. Function is basically made up of the function name, the function parameters which will pass after the name, then the function block in which you will write what you want, what process do you actually want from computer to do, and fourth is your function calling. You just need to call the function and it will do the whole process by passing from the first line. Like, what does it mean? We will see it here. First of all, I am writing here today's topic is function. Now the function starts from defining. So first of all, you have to define def, def. The function name is add, and the parameters which you want to use in the function is a and b, a comma b. So basically, this is basically the function name. This is the process of initializing the function def. This is the function name which is very necessary, and these are the parameters which you want in the function block. You will take this function block. These are the parameters because at the time of calling you just write the numbers which will add by going through the process in function block. So def add a comma b. Now you have to give the process which you want to do in the function actually. So I am going to add two variables, so I have to write a plus b because I want to add the two variables. So anything which I call in add, let's suppose 1 comma 3, so this 1 comma 3 should be added. To add you have to describe the computer. So in the to describe the computer you have to write a plus b, but this a plus b should be assigned to another variables because without assigning you cannot get the results. So I am just going to assign to another variable which is c equals to a plus b. So this a plus b, this two parameters will be added and stored into third variable. But when the variable is stored, it is already, although it is stored in memory, but if you want to display on the screen, you should write print statement, or either you can write return. So I will write in the function, we will write return. We always write return. So return c, whatever the variable which is stored in c, you should have to display it on the screen by using this command, return command. In the function we actually use return. We also use print, but right now we are using return command. So basically it will return whatever the variable which is stored will be returned back to c. I hope you are very clear with it. This is just like print statement. Now this is the actual method. You will write the complete process of how the function is actually made up of. Now you will extract what you want, add by calling the function. This is the method you will call add and give any two numbers like 7 comma 6. Now this statement is basically the calling statement. In this statement, like once you have initialized this line code up till here, this is the main code. Now this is the calling function. You will whenever what actually you are writing at that time of instant, wherever you are in the code, when you just write add 7 comma 6, it will reflect back to this statement because the function name is add. So it will reflect to the add and it will add these numbers because you have write the name of the function, and in the name the process is to add these two variables. I hope you are very clear with it. Let's see what the result comes of. So as you know that 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 6 is 13. So this 13 is stored in C and this C has been returned. So the result is 30. if you want to check what happens when I will write 7 comma 9, then as you see that 7 plus 9 is actually 16, so it will print here. Now you want to make a function which will divide the two variable, so you will write def divide, you can write any name, div a comma b, or you can write x comma y. Now you have to write the method which computers should understand. So the method is to divide the two variables. So to divide the variable, you have to store the two result of two variables into another variable. So I am going to assign z equals to x comma x upon y. This means that the x divided by y should be stored in z. It is just similar to a plus b stored in c. Now you will return what actually the variable here is z. You will return the answer which is stored in the memory, and if you want to display, so you will write return z. Now what do you actually want? You have completed the process of writing the function. Now you want to call the function, you want to use the function, so you will write div the name by calling the name of the function, which is div. Now pass any two variables which you want to divide. So I am writing 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 should be written to 4. So let's see what happens with the answer. So you see this, as you see that the function, the result is 4.0 almost, which is equals to 4 basically. So this is the method how you can use functions in Python language. I hope you are very clear with it, and you can write so many functions by using this tool. If you have any queries or you have any concern, you can write in the comment section. And if you like the video, please please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.